So Monday, July the 7th, and it was hot today, but not so hot that Dad couldn't do some buffing more on this machine. He's reluctant to do too much when it's really hot and humid out because, well, it becomes unbearable in the shop, but he doesn't want any rust on the machine when he starts up. Big fan running in the shop right now. It's got the long handled air pressure attachment running. You just blew off a whole ton of dust off everything here. He'll end up wiping everything down and using a gas wash to get the last little stuff here, but you can see stuff is still coming off. Done a very good blowdown on everything so far. I was working on airboats earlier today, and now it's the hottest part of the day. He's just moved in to the shop to get this done. Really want to get this Bombardier out the shop because we got more jobs coming in, but it's tackling the work that's got to be done right now and the other work that needs to be done later on, and this is one of the later on jobs. Still, it's taking up a big spot in the shop and I want to see it gone. Anyways, nothing further ahead on this Bombardier Muskeg tractor, and Dad now thinks it's a 73 because we got a 74 outside, and I can't remember why, but he said it was 1 year difference, so this is likely a 73. But yeah, he's been busy with the other client here all day, and he's just trying to get all the crap and stuff out of this machine because once he goes to paint, he won't be able to blow all the snow, the dust out. So hopefully this is almost ready for painting job. I'd love to see that happen. And then in the end, we'll still end up cleaning everything out of the inside. And Cat's been liking to sleeping in here at night, but front panel's on, windows are all taped, all sides, and he's got all the doors and accessories sanded down, and we're parked over here for now, so they're ready for priming and painting, and this is ready for priming anytime that he wants to get started on it. But like I said, still pretty hot in the shop, and Dad's trying to do his best to do whatever he can get to get the progress moving here. Busy little dog, and she's running with the big dogs right now, and we're not doing too much more on the inside, I know that much, just the outside on this machine. Get it painted out the door, and end of the day, Dad's just closing up the doors, and that's going to be it. He's going to have a wet, and it's too hot to work this late in the day. Here's our Filipino Emily. She's gone for a swim, cool off. I don't know what happened to our Charles in charge. He was right here, might be in his doghouse. He's not enjoying this heat. He's not in there, so he's probably laying around in the shade somewhere around here. But Filipino Emily's got enough brains to go swimming. Oh, and there's 3 of my 4 kids. Charlie took off on us for 2 days. Oh, hey, buddy, was it too freaking hot? So he went actually back to his owner's place and slept on the couch there. Now he's got some cool shade, and Nina's on guard patrol, and the cat's over here overseeing everything. Oh, my old dog, hey?